Dell Precision 3650 Workstation, dual GPUs that crush CAD and 3D workflows. Ever feel stuck watching your old workstation struggle under massive CAD assemblies, 3D renders, or massive spreadsheets? You hit, run, and lag, stuttering, or crashing steals your focus. Endless waits and freezes turn creativity into frustration, deadlines into panic, and every click feels like a gamble. It's not just productivity lost, it's confidence, momentum, and peace of mind evaporating. Now imagine projects piling up, clients waiting, and your software stalling mid-render. Stress skyrockets, burnout creeps in, and missed opportunities gnaw at your goals. Even with talent and experience, slow hardware becomes a silent saboteur. Every wasted second feels like a lost advantage, and every delay threatens not just deadlines, but your reputation and your bottom line. Enter the Dell Precision 3650 Desktop Tower Workstation, engineered for professionals who refuse compromise. Its 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11700, 8-core, 16-thread processor surges up to 4.9 GHz, handling massive calculations, simulations, and multitasking with ease. 32 GB DDR4 RAM keeps multiple apps, browser tabs, and virtual machines fluid. Storage: a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD loads huge files and software in seconds. The standout: dual NVIDIA Quadro T1000 GPUs, each with 4 GB GDDR6, delivering buttery-smooth performance across 8 mini DisplayPort outputs, powering multiple 4K monitors without glitches. One architect shared how this setup rendered a complex Revit model in minutes instead of hours, saving a full client presentation. Windows 10 Pro ensures enhanced security and virtualization, while the compact tower chassis fits snugly into any office. With advanced thermal management, premium PSU, multiple USB-A and C ports, SD card reader, and professional audio outputs, this workstation is designed for effortless productivity, future-proof multi-display setups, and rock-solid stability under sustained loads. It's not just a PC, it's your professional engine. The Dell Precision 3650 transforms workflow efficiency, delivering smooth, multi-application performance and unmatched graphics reliability. Users praise its dual Quadro GPUs. Viewport performance with complex assemblies is buttery smooth, even with multiple programs open. Financial analysts highlight rapid computation. Processing massive datasets is faster than I ever imagined. Content creators rave about multi-monitor rendering. I can edit high-res video, run CAD, and animate simultaneously without lag. Industry analysts emphasize ISV certification, ensuring compatibility with AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Revit, and Siemens NX, guaranteeing stability where other machines fail. IT experts note robust thermal management and quiet operation, critical for 24/7 workloads. One freelancer recounted, "Switching from my old desktop, the dual GPUs and SSD cut render times in half. It's like having two machines in one tower." Architects and engineers alike highlight the compact chassis, which saves space without sacrificing power. Curious why so many studios, firms, and creators now trust the Precision 3650? Because it seamlessly handles CAD, 3D modeling, video editing, and data analysis, all while keeping software stable and professionals focused. With every render, simulation, or spreadsheet, it turns frustration into productivity and uncertainty into confidence. Limited stock. Don't let slow hardware hold you back. Join thousands of professionals who've upgraded to the Dell Precision 3650 and unlocked flawless multitasking, dual GPU power, and rapid rendering. From architects to engineers and content creators, this workstation delivers reliability that pays for itself every day. Act now. Elevate your workflow and crush your deadlines with confidence. Seize the chance to own a machine that turns complex projects into effortless productivity. Your next big breakthrough starts here.